So this is the Russian M12 Morse code number station received on the Tecsun H-501. And we're gonna go check because it's supposed to be also on 461. So this is in reality 13426, but this radio does not have CW, so I put it in upper sideband 1 kHz lower. So let's try 460. So there is one here too, but this one I don't hear it. So once again. So this comes from the areas near Moscow, Russia, and basically I'm using the W6LVP loop. And I'm outdoors, that's why you're hearing all the birds. And this is the loop actually receiving this Morse code station. This is a Russian number station. They have some with voice, some in Russian, some in different languages including English. And they have the ones that, like this one called M12, which comes out near Moscow, Russia, and is a Morse code number station. You can go to priom, priym.org. Great website to know the schedules of these. So I don't know if it's going to continue or not. Sometimes they have long coded messages. Usually they start off by slow Morse code identifying the station, then they go into a fast Morse code, but it's possible that there is nothing or no messages. Seems to have ended now. I'll try again the other one. There's another one on 4.6. Nope, not hearing anything there. And this one seems to have ended its message already. So there's a brief M12 that you heard on 13425 upper sideband. So this is my first number station on the Tecsun H-501 that I love using. We'll continue playing around with this and checking out what we can do, but it's really a lot of fun to play with this radio, I can say. It's I think one of the things that makes it fun also is the fact that it's a bigger radio. It feels like you have a radio in your hand, not just a little square box. So kind of pretty cool. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Hope you enjoy our videos.